Welcome to a July 2020 update of the Video.Guru Video Maker app. We're working on version 1.294.67. In the past, I've made some videos, and I've got a playlist called Apps, Video, and Photo Editing, if you wanted to check that out. These videos are still good, but the app has been updated, and some things have changed just a little bit. But wanted to provide a walkthrough for you on some videos I've been editing for Folkface and Tyler Westcott on their channel. They've got the Roots Music Wednesday. They had hour-long episodes, but I've been trying to segment out these little interviews that he's had with various people, such as Eric Bunley of the Blind Owl Band and some other guests. So check that out if you could, and subscribe to their channel. But let's hop right in and check out the new Video.Guru updates and do a little live walkthrough. One of the greatest updates that Video.Guru has now provided is the ability to have drafts. As you can see, I'm flipping through a couple of these interviews that I've already chopped up and finished. You'll also notice some of the graphics have changed. Stickers have the little green teal smiley face, and text is the orange arrow. And you can see where each of these little items pops up in the video. So I think that's a nice little update that the Video.Guru folks have added to their app. I'm going to hop right in and import the next interview that I'm going to segment apart. This will be interview 2, the super secret special interview that Tyler did. I already have the time stamped out, so I know exactly where I need to trim my video. And you can do an exact precise timing if you know exactly where you are, what part you need to start and stop. Always remember to keep your video file, the main source file, in a safe location so it doesn't back up and delete off of your device. Otherwise, your draft progress will be lost. Although I had an approximate timestamp of where I wanted to start, still got to do a little bit of tweaking. I'll show that to you here.
Oh. 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 Let me know if you can. Let me know if you can see me. Scott Calvin says he can't see me.
Now that we've trimmed and adjusted the entry point of our video, we're going to start editing and chopping it up as we go. I'm going to use the split command. The split command segments our video into manageable parts and also allows us to use a new feature that Video.Guru has released, and these are the transitions. There's sports, glitch, and basic transitions. I'm going to try a spin. I'm going to watch this go.
Anybody out there? Hello in there.
Please note that these transitions will affect the sound quality and potentially clip part of that sound from your video. So use transitions wisely and always review your work. Now I'm going to put a few more splits into the video, and I'm going to remove a small segment of this video just to shorten the length of the video and sort of jump us right into the phone call that Tyler performs in this video that I'm editing. Once we've created those two splits, we can then select the video and click delete. This will remove that small time chunk. And now we'll use another transition. We'll try the flash. And let's see how that looks.
Anybody out there? Hello in there. Alright, well, I'm going to call my other super secret special guest.
I think those transitions and the trimming, splitting, and cropping of that video turned out pretty nicely. Now it's time to add some of the effects such as stickers and emojis to our video. Just gonna slap a little heart on here, put that in the corner, and what else? I'm gonna go to our sticker and load a preloaded Tyler Westcott snowman sticker. I've been putting these on most of his videos, trying to create some form of consistency, although I don't have a complete pattern or template. Both stickers and text have the ability to be sent to beginning or end of the video. All you have to do is click that little arrow that is on the side of these stickers. If you see the right there, if we click that, we can send it all the way to the end. So this sticker will be with our video the entire time. Sometimes maintaining the right depth of field and layering of these stickers can get a little bit complicated, depending on how many you add to your video, but that is the trade-off for using a mobile video editing app versus doing this on a personal computer. With a few of our stickers now in place, let's add a few special effects to the beginning of our video, just to make it stand out a little bit different than the rest. You can see our special effects are in purple. Very similar icon to our stickers, which are in this greenish kind of teal color. And our text, which is in the orangish yellow. So this is a nice little change, I'd say, from the original version that I did some videos on before. Next, I'm going to show you how to add text. Very similar to stickers and special effects. These can be adjusted using those arrows along the side. Another enhancement Video.Guru has made is, if you notice, there's now a text bar. This allows us to go back and edit text versus just erasing everything and starting over. So if you have a spelling error and you don't notice it right away, it makes making these corrections a lot easier. I'm going to show you changing the text color, adding a label, opacity. All those little adjustments were just done there. You can also change the font type. I know I've covered these in some of my videos in the past. Those features haven't changed too much. Enough of me talking for a minute. I'm gonna just kind of let this video run and kind of let you watch and see what I do and how I work.
Alright, well, I'm going to call my other super secret special guest. Making these hard decisions gives me a vision. Hey, how are you?
Whoa, I almost revealed Tyler's super secret guest. Let's go back to the cover page.
Let me know if you can see me. Scott Calpin says he can't see me. Can you see me? Anybody out there? Hello in there. Let me know if you can see me. Scott. Let me know if you can see me. Scott Calpin says he can't see me. Can you see me? Anybody out there? Hello in there. Alright, well I'm gonna call my other super secret special guest.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
Alright.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Scott.
How's it going?
I'm good.
Did you know that you were my super secret special guest?
No, I didn't.
Well, now I do.
Sorry to interrupt that song by Folk Faces called Silver Lining off their album Fat Ol' Rat. But pretty much finished up with that video. I'm going to do a quick screenshot of that title page that I made. And I'm going to use this as a thumbnail when I upload it to YouTube. I'm going to export and save this file. Going to fast forward and do a little quick transition through that. And with Video.Guru, you can upload straight to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. You can send your videos in Messenger. I am going to upload right to YouTube, right to the Folk Faces account. Tyler has given me special access and copied the title of the last one to keep it consistent. Just gonna erase that little bit. Title this interview Super Secret. And we will begin that uploading process. Little did you know you'd get a little YouTube tutorial as well. I just hopped into the YouTube Studio app and I'm going over to the video, which should be uploading. There it is, processing. I will edit the video, go to the thumbnail. You must have a verified account to create custom thumbnails. And here's the snapshot I took from earlier. And there we go. I think that'll do it. Gonna quickly add this to his playlist, which you guys should go check out for all the interviews and the full-length episodes. Also, thank you for your support and asking questions. If I don't answer them in a comment, I hope to answer them in a video. And hopefully I can bring some of these comments to life as well. So please keep watching, stay tuned, hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.